Tesla's Cybercab debuted at the China International Import Expo with its full vision-based full autonomous driving (FSD) feature. Tesla's Cybercab was on display at the China International Import Expo. This car has no steering wheel or pedals and relies entirely on a vision-based full autonomous driving (FSD) system for autonomous driving. The large screen in the center console gives it a high-tech feel. It uses cameras and machine learning, costs less than $30,000, and is expected to enter production in 2026 and then serve as a driverless ride-hailing fleet. In a few years, when autonomous driving is more advanced, we think I'll try one of these autonomous taxis. After all, the risk of human error is reduced and may even be safer. And imagine not having to worry about driving while you're driving, being able to completely relax or take care of your own things.